What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake air temp sensor on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this cover off, just grab underneath, lift up, slide it forward. Alright, so I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, and I'm going to loosen up the negative terminal on the battery. It's always a good idea to disconnect the battery when you're doing a job like this. All right, I'm going to remove this snorkel, take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take these two bolts out. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp right here. And then on this side, I can grab this. Pull it out. There is a intake temperature sensor right under here. Just push down on the lock, pull the connector out. Pull this hose off here. I'll just slide this out. I'm just going to take a pick, just slide underneath here. There's a little lock under the sensor. And when I do that, and then I'm just going to twist it. And then just wiggle it up as I pull it out. There we go, pulled it out. I'm just going to take the sensor, I'm going to line it up. It is slotted. If you look inside the hole, it only goes on one way. So we'll slide this on. This is going to go in this way. Just push it down in there. Put that in, then we just slide it over and lock it in place. Now we're going to slide this snorkel on, get this in position. Let's connect the intake air temp sensor connector. Just lock that in place. We can slide the snorkel on that side and then slide it onto the air box. Just like that. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, snug them down. I'm going to tighten up these worm clamps with a straight blade screwdriver, just snug, same with this one. And reposition this hose, just like that. We're going to take this cover, these two slots, we're going to line up with those two pieces right there in the back, and then these are going to go into these little grommets right there, and just push it down, make sure it's nice and tight. Now we'll take this negative cable, slide it on the battery, take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, snug this up. Make sure you wiggle the cable, make sure it's nice and tight.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.